Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to cancel direct debit on Monzo. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So in order to cancel a direct debit, what you need to do is simply head over and log into your Monzo, open up your Monzo app and then log into your account. And once you do that, you can cancel direct debit in the app by simply tapping on the payments icon on the menu bar, then tap the schedule. Now once you have tapped on schedule, tap the payment you want to cancel, and once you do that, tap on cancel direct debit. And bear in mind that you'll need to cancel a direct debit at least one full day before it's due to leave your account, otherwise it will not work. So that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.